What's the one thing that connects a Silicon Valley veteran, a venture capitalist, and the world of cryptocurrency? If you guessed a new CEO, you're on the right track. But in the case of Kraken, one of the most enduring crypto exchanges, the story is a little more complex. It's about a co-CEO, a strategic vision, and the kind of leadership that's built for the future of finance. Kraken has long been a major player in the crypto space, known for its security and its crypto-first culture. For years, it was led by co-founder Jesse Powell, who stepped into a new role as board chair. This paved the way for Dave Ripley to take the helm as CEO. But the story doesn't end there. In a move that signaled a new era of growth, Kraken brought in a second co-CEO, Arjun Sethi. Now, Arjun Sethi isn't your typical crypto exec. He's a two-time founder with successful exits, a former executive at Yahoo, and most notably, the co-founder of Tribe Capital, a venture capital firm with over $1 billion in assets under management. Tribe Capital is known for using data science to identify and invest in N-of-one companies, those unique businesses that create their own ecosystems. This is a guy who has spent his career spotting and building transformative companies. And Kraken, according to Sethi, is one of those. His appointment isn't just a change in leadership, it's a strategic move to supercharge Kraken's mission. Alongside Dave Ripley, Sethi is focused on streamlining the company, eliminating what they've called organizational layers to be leaner and faster. They want to empower top contributors to build best-in-class products and ensure the company can adapt quickly in a rapidly changing market. Sethi's deep experience in both building and investing in tech companies gives him a unique perspective. He's all about leveraging data and a strong product-focused approach to drive innovation. In a recent acquisition of a proprietary trading firm, Sethi spoke about building systems that reward demonstrated performance, not pedigree. This is a philosophy that seems to perfectly align with the meritocratic nature of the crypto world. With this new co-CEO model, Kraken is betting on a powerful combination of experience, Ripley's deep operational knowledge of the crypto industry, and Sethi's strategic vision for growth and innovation. They're making a clear statement that they intend to be a major force in the next chapter of digital finance, building a bridge from the old world to the new. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.